In this video, I'll show you how to void envelopes you sent in Docusign using a simple and practical method that helps you stay in control of your documents. After logging in, go to the Agreements section and locate the envelope you want to cancel. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select the void option, then provide a reason to complete the action. This feature is useful for correcting mistakes or stopping outdated documents, but keep in mind that voiding is typically irreversible and will notify recipients. It's important to double-check the envelope before proceeding to avoid unnecessary disruptions. You should also ensure no critical signatures are pending before voiding. In some cases, you may need to resend a corrected version after voiding, so plan accordingly. Once completed, the document will no longer be available for signing. Overall, it's a straightforward feature that helps maintain accuracy in your workflow. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you manage documents smarter.